Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing the topic polynomials and presently exercise on algebraic identities, part 2 of 2. There are two parts we have seen first. Now this is part 2 of 2. Okay. So before going for the exercise, let us recall all these identities again. We have seen all these in part 1, now part 2. Just revising all this. Okay, so let us recall the identities and with the definition of identity. Then an equality where LHS is equal to RHS for all the values of variables is called as identity. We have seen this, okay, at least twice before. Some standard identities are, okay, 1, x plus y the whole square equals x square plus 2xy plus y square. Second one, x minus y the whole square equals x square minus 2xy plus y square. Third one, x square minus y square equals x plus y into x minus y. And fourth one, x plus a in one bracket multiplied by x plus b in another bracket equals x square plus a plus b bracket complete into x plus ab. Okay, that is a into b. So these are some algebraic identities and four more to follow. Okay. Fifth one, x plus y plus z the whole square equals x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Sixth one, x plus y the whole cube equals x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, or another form is all this is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into bracket x plus y. Okay, so we have taken x, y common from these two terms. Okay, so seventh one, x minus y the whole cube equals x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube, or equals x cube minus y cube plus 3xy into bracket x minus y. Okay, and eighth one, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals x plus y plus z bracket complete, another bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx bracket complete again. Okay, so these are the algebraic identities. Okay, and this comment we have seen at least twice before. I am just reading it again. Need to remember all these identities. Okay, and easiest way is to write every identity on paper, read 5 times before sleeping, and repeat the same next morning as soon as you get up. Okay, you will see I have done all this and results are good. Okay, so exercise continued. Why continued? Because we have seen part of this in first part. This is second part. Okay, so ninth one, verify. First one, x cube plus y cube equals x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, bracket complete. Answer. So we will take the right hand side. Okay, so x plus y into bracket x square minus xy plus y square bracket complete. Now we will multiply this bracket by x and again by y. So it is here equals x into the whole bracket plus y into the whole bracket. Okay. Now actual multiplication. So x into x square minus x into xy plus x into y square plus y into x square minus y into xy plus y into y square. Okay. So take this equal to x into x square is x cube minus x square y plus xy square plus yx square minus x y square plus y cube. Okay, very simple. So minus x square y and plus yx square cancels, and plus xy square minus xy square both cancels, and we are left with x cube plus y cube, which is same as left hand side. This is verified. Okay, and 10th one, factorize. First one, 27 y cube plus 125 z cube. Answer, 27 y cube plus 125 z cube can be written as 3y whole cube plus 5z whole cube. Okay, because we are taking 27 as 3 cube, okay, and 125 as 5 cube. Okay, so we are taking this identity. But if x cube plus y cube equals x plus y, in another bracket x square minus xy plus y square. Now taking the similarities between these two, see it is here, this and this to compare. So x is 3y and y is 5z. So we are substituting the value. This is 3y plus 5z. Another bracket, big bracket first, 3y square minus 3y into 5z plus 5z whole square. Okay, bracket complete again. So this equals 3y plus 5z as it is. Okay, into this is 3 square, so 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. Okay, so these are the factors of this. Okay, 11th one, factorize. Exercise continued. First one, 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Okay, we have to factorize this. Answer. So write the whole expression as it is, 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Now this expression can be written as, now this can be written as 3x like this, 3x in the bracket cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into bracket 3x. So I am splitting this 9 as 3 into 3 and yz. Okay, and now we can compare this. This is similar to the following identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals x plus y plus z in one bracket and another bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, bracket complete. So I think this is the only difference, that x is replaced by 3x. Okay, so we can compare both this. Can write it, 3x cube, actually the whole cube, plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z. This equals 3x plus y plus z in one bracket and another bracket. Only x is replaced by 3x, so 3x square whole square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. Okay, so these are the factors. Okay, very simple. Next one, verify that. First one, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals 1 upon 2 into x plus y plus z in one bracket and another bracket, x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square, bracket complete. Okay, now for answer, RHS is, we are concentrating only on a right hand side. Okay, so I am writing the whole right hand side as it is. Okay, and now only concentrating or taking into consideration only this bracket. Okay, or these three brackets. Okay, so now expanding, I am not taking this term at present. Okay, I will be, this will be taken care of at the end. Okay, so I'm expanding only these three brackets. This is x square minus 2xy plus y square plus y square minus 2yz plus z square plus z square minus 2zx plus x square. Okay, and now we can drop these brackets. Okay, so x square minus 2xy plus y square minus 2yz plus z square plus z square minus 2zx plus x square. Then we can count. There are two x squares, so 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Now we can take 2 common and take this term also. So 2 into 1 upon 2 into x plus y plus z, bracket complete, and another bracket what remains in this bracket is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, bracket complete. Okay, so these two goes with these two and we are left with x plus y plus z in one bracket, and another bracket is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, bracket complete. Okay, now if you look at this, you can compare this with the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals x plus y plus z in one bracket, and another x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, bracket complete. Okay, so this is same as this. Okay, that means this is equal to this, so left hand side equals a right hand side. Very simple. Okay, next one, if x plus y plus z equals 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals 3xyz. Okay, answer, consider the following identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z in one bracket, and another bracket is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, bracket complete. Now on a right hand side, if x plus y plus z equals 0, that is the condition given, if this is 0, okay, then the whole right hand side becomes 0, because this 0 into the this same bracket, so this becomes 0. So we can compare this is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals 0, and now we can take this on the right hand side. So we get x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals 3xyz. Okay, so this is what we have to show. Okay, exercise continued. Next one, without actually calculating the cubes, find the values of each of the following. First one, minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Okay, we have to find the value of this. Answer, by the identity, we have to take advantage of identity. This here, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which equals x plus y plus z in one bracket, and another bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, bracket complete. Okay, now important statement here. On right hand side, if on this side, if x plus y plus z equals 0, okay, then RHS is 0. Got it? So if this is 0, we are again writing this. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals 0. Then if you transfer this on another side, that will be x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals, sign will change, this equals 3 into x into y into z. Okay, now with the help of this we will tackle this example, this expression. In the above expression, x plus y plus z, that is minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 is 0, so right hand side is 0. So then minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube equals 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5 is minus 1260. Okay, there's one minus sign, so there will be one minus sign carried forward here. Okay, second one, 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. Okay, we have to give the answer for this. Now answer by identity, that's this is the identity. We have to give this expression in every problem. Okay, so we have to write it here. I am jumping to this step in this. Okay, so in the above expression, 28 minus 15 minus 13 is equal to 0. So 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube equals 3 into 28 into minus 15 into minus 13. This comes out to be plus, this will be minus into minus will be plus 16380. Okay, so like that, this is very simple. Okay, so exercise continued. Next one, give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. Okay, first one, area 25a square minus 35a plus 12. These are very intelligent examples, and you need to understand this very carefully. Read this to understand this. Okay, so look for the answer. Answer, equation 25a square minus 35a plus 12 can be written as 25a square minus 35 is written as minus 15a minus 20a. So 35 is minus 15 minus 20. Okay, and plus 12 and can be factorized as. Okay, so after enough practice, you will come to know why this should be like this or how this should be split. Okay, so we can factorize this. I'm taking 5a common from this. So what remains in bracket is 5a minus 3 and minus 4 common, and again 5a minus 3 and 5a minus 3 common from this whole thing, and what remains in bracket is 5a minus 4. So this is length and this is breadth. Okay, so this corresponds to length into breadth. Okay, and second one, area is 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Answer, equation 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Okay, so see, I am trying to give you how this is to be formed. Okay, so 35 is 7 into 5 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so you need to take these factors. Okay, all this and get this 30. Okay, so see, try different combinations to get 13. Okay, from this, all this. Okay, so 7 into 2 into 2 is 20, and remaining, say 7 into 2 into 2, and 5 and 3 are remaining, so 5 into 3 is 15. So 28 minus 15 is 30. Okay, got it. So therefore, this can be written as this, 35y square plus 28y minus 15y. Okay, so this addition is 13y minus 12. Okay, so you should have enough practice so that you can solve this very comfortably. Okay, now here I am taking 7y common, so in bracket 5y plus 4, and here minus 3 common, so in bracket 5y plus 4. Okay, now here 5y plus 4 is taken common, and what remains in bracket is 7y minus 3. This corresponds to length into breadth. Okay, so this is your answer. So exercise continued. Okay, read this. What are the possible expressions for dimensions of cuboid whose volumes are given below? Now for area there were 2 dimensions. Now for volume there will be 3. First one, volume is in this expression 3x square minus 12x. So answer, 3x square minus 12x can be factorized as, say I am taking This is the same expression, and I'm taking 3x common. So into bracket, we are left with x minus 4. So these are three dimensions. 3 is one, x is another, and x minus 4 is the third one. So these are the possible dimensions. Okay. Second one, volume is given in this expression, 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Answer, this expression can be factorized as, see, presently I am taking only k common, and to bracket we are left with 12y square plus 8y minus 20. Okay. Now we have to write this a in such a way that we can split it like this to get uh, multiplication of 12 and 20. In the present case, this is very simple. We have to do all this if this is not simple. Now present case, I am getting it like this. 20 minus 12 is 8. Okay. So I am writing this like this. This is the expression. Okay. And this is equal to k into bracket 12y square minus 12y plus 20y minus 20. Okay. So I am writing minus 12y first, and then plus 20y for this to get common term. Okay. Now this k is here into another bracket, 12y common, and what is left in the bracket here is y minus 1, and plus 20 common from this, y minus 1. Now again y minus 1 common from this, and what we are left is 12y plus 20. Yes. Okay. So this equals again k into bracket y minus 1 into, I'm taking again 4 common, and we are left with 3y plus 5. So we are taking this 4 here. So this equals 4k into y minus 1 into 3y plus 5. Okay. So these are the dimensions. Okay. So possible dimensions. There will be 3. So 4k is 1. Y minus 1 is another, and 3y plus 5 is third one. Okay. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. If you have any difficulty in this topic of polynomials, that is exercise on algebraic identities, part 2 of 2. There are two parts we have seen first. This is part 2. Okay. If you have any difficulty, let me know through comment section and I shall solve it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanking you. Good luck.